Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to share a TikTok through Instagram direct messages. If you want to share an amazing TikTok video with your friends directly through Instagram, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Go to the TikTok feed and find the TikTok video you want to share through Instagram direct messages. While the video is playing, tap and hold on the screen to pause it. Step 3. Look for the Share With menu, usually represented by an arrow icon. Tap on it to access the sharing options. Step 4. Tap on Instagram direct messages from the sharing options menu. This will open the Instagram app on your device. Next, select the recipient from your Instagram contacts list. Tap on the Send button to share the TikTok video directly with them. By following these simple steps, you can easily share a TikTok video through Instagram direct messages and share the excitement with your friends in a more personal way. Instagram direct messages provide a seamless experience for sharing TikTok videos and engaging in conversations with your friends. Thank you for watching and enjoy sharing your favorite TikTok videos through Instagram direct messages.